Are you dreaming of a stress-free vacation where everything is taken care of and your family can just relax and enjoy? Imagine delicious meals, fun activities, and stunning locations all included in one price. Sounds too good to be true? It isn't. In this video, we're sharing 15 of the best affordable all-inclusive family resorts in 2025 where you can create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 15. Viva Windam Mer, Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Viva Windam Mer is a vibrant beachfront resort located in the heart of Playa del Carmen. Families can enjoy an array of activities from snorkeling and windsurfing to live performances and kids programs, starting at $210 per night per person. The all-inclusive package includes delicious meals, refreshing drinks, and daily entertainment. Parents can unwind at the spa or participate in fitness classes, while kids stay entertained with age-appropriate activities. With its lively atmosphere and excellent value, Viva Windam Mer is a great choice for families looking to explore the beauty of Mexico's Caribbean coast. Number 14. Club Med Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Club Med Punta Cana is an excellent choice for families who crave a mix of relaxation and adventure. The resort's stunning beachfront location creates the perfect backdrop for a memorable family vacation, starting at $250 per night per person. For kids, there's a unique circus school where they can learn acrobatics and other fun activities. The resort's all-inclusive package covers meals, snacks, drinks, and a variety of activities like water sports and fitness classes. While the kids are entertained, parents can unwind in the Zen Oasis, a tranquil area designed exclusively for adults. With its top-notch amenities and vibrant family atmosphere, this resort provides a hassle-free vacation experience. Number 13. Sunscape Akamal Beach Resort Spa, Mexico. Sunscape Akamal Beach Resort Spa is a haven for families seeking fun and relaxation on Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya, starting at $200 per night per person. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, this resort caters to all age groups with a wide range of activities. Kids will love the Explorers Club, a dedicated space filled with supervised fun. Parents can enjoy pampering treatments at the luxurious spa or sip cocktails by the pool. The all-inclusive package includes unlimited food, beverages, and entertainment, ensuring there's something for everyone. With its beautiful beachfront location and exceptional value, this resort is a fantastic pick for families. Number 12. Beaches Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Beaches Ocho Rios is a tropical paradise that caters to families of all sizes. Nestled along the scenic Jamaican coast, the resort boasts a massive water park, kids camps, and an impressive array of land and water sports. Gourmet dining options ensure that even the pickiest eaters are satisfied, while premium drinks keep parents happy. Starting at $300 per night per person. The all-inclusive package also covers entertainment and activities for all ages, from toddlers to teens. Whether you're building sandcastles, exploring underwater reefs, or enjoying nightly shows, Beaches Ocho Rios offers a comprehensive and affordable vacation experience. Number 11. Grand Palladium Bavaro Suites Resort Spa, Dominican Republic. Located on the breathtaking Bavaro beach, this resort is a dream destination for families. The spacious suites are designed with comfort in mind, accommodating both small and large families. The all-inclusive package covers meals at several on-site restaurants, unlimited drinks, and access to a wide range of activities. Starting at $270 per night per person. From kayaking and snorkeling to dance classes and live entertainment, there's something for everyone. Kids can enjoy the dedicated clubs tailored to different age groups, while parents can unwind at the spa or relax by the pool. With its tropical ambience and exceptional amenities, this resort guarantees a fun-filled vacation. Number 10. Meliá Nassau Beach All-Inclusive, Bahamas. Meliá Nassau Beach is the ultimate escape for families looking for a mix of relaxation and adventure. Set on a stunning white sand beach, the resort offers a laid-back vibe and plenty of activities to keep everyone entertained, starting at $320 per night per person. Themed nights, live performances, and a kids zone ensure non-stop fun for the little ones, while adults can take advantage of water sports or simply relax by the pool. The all-inclusive package covers meals, drinks, and a variety of activities, making it easy to stick to your budget. With its picturesque location and welcoming atmosphere, this resort is perfect for families. Number 9. Nickelodeon Hotels Resorts, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. For families with young kids, Nickelodeon Hotels Resorts Punta Cana is a dream destination. This vibrant resort brings favorite Nickelodeon characters to life, offering meet and greets, themed activities, and a lively water park. Starting at $280 per night per person. Parents can indulge in gourmet dining options or unwind at the full-service spa, while the kids enjoy endless fun. The all-inclusive package covers all meals, drinks, and entertainment, ensuring a hassle-free vacation. From the SpongeBob SquarePants-themed villa to the extensive kid-friendly amenities, this resort delivers a unique and unforgettable experience for the whole family. Number 8. Azul Beach Resort Riviera, Cancun, Mexico. Azul Beach Resort Riviera, Cancun is a family-focused haven on Mexico's Caribbean coast. The resort offers something for everyone, from a baby concierge service for the youngest guests to teen-oriented activities for older kids. The all-inclusive package features gourmet meals, premium drinks, and engaging entertainment options. Families can participate in cooking classes, enjoy live shows, or relax in the spacious suites designed with comfort in mind. With its friendly staff and excellent facilities, Azul Beach Resort provides an ideal setting for a memorable family vacation. Starting at $260 per night per person. Number 7. Dreams Las Marias, Costa Rica. Dreams Las Marias, Costa Rica is a luxurious yet family-friendly resort set amidst lush tropical landscapes. The resort's sprawling grounds feature water slides, expansive pools, and a variety of dining options. Families can explore nearby nature reserves or enjoy on-site activities like movie nights and beach games. The all-inclusive package covers gourmet meals, premium drinks, and daily entertainment, starting at $290 per night per person. With its mix of adventure and relaxation, Dreams Las Marias is an excellent choice for families looking to explore the natural beauty of Costa Rica. Number 6. Ryu Guan Cast, Costa Rica. Located on the scenic Matapalo Beach, Ryu Guan Cast offers a vibrant and family-friendly atmosphere. The resort's all-inclusive package includes unlimited dining, drinks, and a variety of activities such as snorkeling, kayaking, and beach volleyball. Kids will enjoy the on-site play area and daily entertainment, while adults can relax at the spa or take part in fitness classes. The resort's prime location provides easy access to local attractions, making it a great base for exploring Costa Rica. With its exceptional value and welcoming environment, Ryu Guan Cast is a top pick for families. Starting at $240 per night per person. Number 5. Irostar Selection, Cancun, Mexico. Irostar Selection Cancun combines luxury with family-friendly amenities to create the ultimate vacation experience. The resort's beachfront location and large pools provide endless opportunities for relaxation and fun. Starting at $280 per night per person. Kids will love the dedicated play areas and activities, while parents can enjoy gourmet dining and spa treatments. The all-inclusive package includes meals, drinks, and daily entertainment, making it easy to budget for your trip. And with its excellent facilities and welcoming atmosphere, Irostar Selection Cancun ensures an unforgettable vacation for families. Number 4. Barcelo Bavaro Palace, Dominican Republic. Barcelo Bavaro Palace is a family paradise located on one of the Dominican Republic's most beautiful beaches. The resort features a water park, mini golf, and an array of dining options to suit all tastes. Starting at $270 per night per person. Spacious rooms and suites accommodate families comfortably, while the all-inclusive package covers meals, drinks, and activities. Kids can enjoy dedicated clubs, and parents can relax at the spa or enjoy evening entertainment. With its mix of luxury and affordability, Barcelo Bavaro Palace ensures a memorable vacation for families. Number 3. Royalton / Punta Cana Resort Casino, Dominican Republic. Royalton / Punta Cana is a water lover's paradise. The resort features an expansive water park with slides, splash pads, and pools that will delight kids and adults alike. The all-inclusive package covers gourmet dining, premium drinks, and a variety of activities. Starting at $250 per night per person. Families can enjoy nightly entertainment, beach games, and kid-friendly programs. Spacious suites ensure comfort for the whole family, and parents can take advantage of the resort's spa and fitness facilities. With its vibrant atmosphere and inclusive offerings, Royalton / Punta Cana is a top pick for families. Number 2. Holiday Village, Turkey, Sarıcami, Turkey. For families seeking an international adventure, Holiday Village Turkey is an excellent option. This resort blends cultural experiences with family-friendly amenities. Guests can enjoy water sports, kids clubs, and a variety of dining options that highlight local cuisine. The all-inclusive package ensures that meals, drinks, and entertainment are covered, making it easy to plan your stay. With its stunning location and engaging activities, Holiday Village Turkey offers a unique and affordable vacation experience for families, starting at $200 per night per person. Number 1. Club Med Sandpiper Bay, Florida, USA. For families seeking an affordable, all-inclusive option within the United States, Club Med Sandpiper Bay in Florida is a fantastic choice. This resort offers an array of activities, including sports academies for golf, tennis, and fitness. Kids will love the dedicated clubs, while parents can enjoy waterfront relaxation or participate in group fitness classes. The all-inclusive package ensures that meals, drinks, and entertainment are all covered. Located along the picturesque St. Lucie River, this resort combines convenience and charm, making it an excellent pick for families, starting at $230 per night per person. That wraps up our list of the 15 best affordable all-inclusive family resorts for 2025. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more travel tips and destination guides. Here's to your next unforgettable family vacation.